If there's a kid's smartwatch that can give you peace of mind about your child's safety, then I think you should get to know it. Whether it's voice calls or video calls, it lets you communicate with your child smoothly in real time. It also has one-tap location tracking. You can check the location anytime, so you no longer have to worry about your child when they're out. LAGENIO K10 for G Kids smartwatch. 950 mAh large battery for long-lasting use. Magnetic charging, simple and convenient. Strong and durable strap, not easy to break. Works with all kinds of 4G SIM cards, no need to worry about different regions. Seamless real-time communication, video call, voice call, one-tap location tracking, smart AI drawing. Inspire your child's imagination. Smart AI Q&A, help solve your child's questions and doubts. Guard every moment of peace, and accompany your child's growth.